Welcome to the best picks. The best wax strips is probably one of the most convenient and effective methods for achieving smooth, hair-free skin right in the comfort of your own home, offering a quick and relatively mess-free solution for tackling unwanted body hair, making it a popular choice for those seeking salon-quality results without the hefty price tag or appointment hassle. Number 5. Tress Wellness Award-winning waxing kit. Discover the secret to smooth, radiant skin with this award-winning waxing kit. It's designed for effortless hair removal right in the comfort of your home. Formulated with your comfort in mind, this kit is perfect for even the most delicate skin types. You can trust it to be safe for both your face and body. Say goodbye to complicated salon visits. This user-friendly kit makes at-home waxing simple and convenient for everyone. Whether it's your face, bikini line, Brazilian, or full body, this versatile kit handles it all. Achieve salon-quality results wherever you need them. Featuring a sleek digital display, it ensures precise temperature control for optimal waxing. This innovative design makes your waxing experience even better. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for those with sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle yet effective hair removal experience. Its digital display offers precise temperature control, making it incredibly user-friendly even for beginners. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-use solution for all body areas, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. BLITZWAX at-home waxing kit. Discover the secret to salon-quality smoothness right in your own home. This comprehensive kit makes hair removal effortless and effective. Designed for all your needs, it's perfect for Brazilian, bikini, face, legs, and other body areas. Achieve silky results wherever you desire. New to waxing? No problem. This kit is incredibly easy to use, guiding you through each step for a comfortable and confident experience. Its quick-heating wax warmer gets you ready in no time. Enjoy a consistent temperature for optimal wax application. With 28 essential accessories included, you have everything needed for a professional at-home waxing session. It's truly an all-in-one package. The hard wax formula effectively grips hair, not skin, minimizing discomfort. It leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Transform your beauty routine with this convenient and complete waxing solution. Get lasting smoothness and confidence, all from the comfort of your home. What we like? This kit stands out for its beginner-friendly design and rapid heating capabilities, getting you ready faster. It also comes with a generous 28 accessories, providing everything you need for a complete waxing session. If you are new to at-home waxing and want a quick, all-inclusive setup, this kit is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 3. Tress Wellness Wax Beads Bikini Star 1.2 pounds. Experience the difference with our acclaimed wax beads. They've been recognized for their superior quality and effectiveness. Say goodbye to unwanted hair with confidence. Your skin's health is our priority. They are dermatologically tested and proven safe for even sensitive areas. Enjoy a comfortable waxing experience without irritation. Achieve professional results from the comfort of your own home. It makes waxing easy and accessible for everyone. No need for expensive salon visits. Whether it's your bikini line, a Brazilian, or full body hair removal, it handles it all. Enjoy smooth skin everywhere you desire. This kit is perfect for all your needs. Get ample supply with the Bikini Star 1.2 pounds pack. It ensures you have enough for multiple sessions, giving you lasting smoothness. This generous size offers great value. What we like? These award-winning wax beads are dermatologically tested, ensuring safety and comfort for your skin. The generous 1.2 pounds quantity means you'll have plenty for multiple sessions, offering great value. If you prioritize skin safety and need a large supply of high-quality wax for frequent use, these beads are an ideal option. What people say. Number 2. VEET Ready-to-Use Waxing Kit for Women. This convenient kit offers a simple solution for achieving smooth skin at home. It's designed for women seeking effective and easy hair removal. With 40 pre-coated wax strips, it quickly and efficiently removes unwanted body hair. Experience long-lasting smoothness without the hassle. More than just a hair remover, this kit also helps treat and prevent ingrown hairs. It promotes healthier, clearer skin with regular use. Each pack contains 40 waxing strips and 4 body wipes for a complete experience. These components make the process clean, simple, and effective. This personal care product provides a comprehensive hair removal solution. It leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and beautifully cared for. What we like. This kit offers the ultimate convenience with its ready-to-use strips, requiring no heating or preparation. It also includes features for ingrown hair treatment, addressing a common concern. If you are looking for a super quick, mess-free solution for on-the-go hair removal and want to prevent ingrown hairs, this strip kit is your best bet. What people say. No positive review points could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. No positive review points could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. Number 1. Tifara Beauty Non-Woven Wax Strips. Achieve salon-quality smoothness at home with these premium wax strips. They are designed for both body and facial hair removal, offering a versatile solution for your beauty routine. Each pack contains 250 large 3x9-inch strips, ensuring you have plenty for multiple waxing sessions. Their generous size makes them ideal for larger areas, saving you time and effort. Crafted from high-quality non-woven material, these strips provide excellent grip and durability. They work effectively with various wax types, ensuring a clean and efficient pull every time. Whether it's your legs, arms, back, or delicate facial areas, these strips are up to the task. They offer a gentle yet effective way to remove unwanted hair from head to toe. Applying and removing them is straightforward, making your waxing experience hassle-free. Just press them firmly onto waxed skin and pull for smooth, long-lasting results. What we liked. These non-woven strips come in a massive pack of 250, providing an exceptional quantity for long-term use. Their large 3x9 size makes them versatile for both body and facial areas, maximizing efficiency. If you frequently wax and need a bulk supply of versatile, large strips without the wax itself, this product offers incredible value and utility. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.